Hi guys, do you know that cryptocurrency can make you rich and wealthy and can also break you when you miss out on the right time to invest? If you want to go into cryptocurrency, here are two things involved. Either you are going in to start trading or you're going in to purchase the asset, hold it and wait for it to appreciate. If this is your first time of watching my video, hit the subscribe button so you get updates where I share insights on forex, cryptocurrency and blockchain. So guys, what are you waiting for? Let's milk it. Okay, right now the bull run is around the corner. What do I mean by the bull run? The bull run is a season whereby coins appreciate in value. You can buy a coin for $1. During the bull run, the coin escalates, appreciates to like $500 for one. You're making so much money. So if you have like 10 of that coin, you know what it is. Knowing the right time to maximize this bull run is another thing. Like I said before, cryptocurrency can make you rich and wealthy, and it can also break you. So there are some factors you look at before going into cryptocurrency or before purchasing a coin. One is looking out for news and trends around that crypto before you invest your funds. And two, knowing the right time to invest. I come again. One, studying the news and trends around that cryptocurrency. And two, knowing the right time to invest your funds. Not just the right time to invest, the right time to also get off. Because if we can notice, the last bull run where a lot of coins appreciated, it didn't continue appreciating. It got to a point it started declining. Coins that was worth like $500 came down to $20. When you look out for the coin appreciating, you also look out for the coin declining. On my list are some coins that have potentials to do 10x, 100x, 1000x and a whole lot more. So you should utilize this. This video is for educational purpose and not a financial advice. You can make your findings too before you start investing. Another thing you look out for in a coin is the market cap. When you look at Bitcoin, you can see the market cap is almost 800 and something billion. So most of the coins that have done so much, you shouldn't invest in that. You should look out for coins that have more potential, that are just around 1 billion or not up to 1 billion in market cap. You look at Bitcoin, you look at Ethereum, you look at all these other ones, they have done so much. So it's not advisable to go for that. But note, it doesn't mean that they are not going to do well. They are going to do well, but they might not do as much as other coins would do. Some coins might do 1,000, 100, but on my list are coins I'm holding that's going to appreciate in the upcoming bull run, which is a couple of months from now. As I proceed, on my list is Matic, ADA, QNT, CAS, Dion, Link, Uniswap, GMX, ARB, OP, Solana, WO, Rose, OPTI, FTM, NIR, INJ, Lina, Pendul, Dodo, Pepe, Lido, AAVE, Maker, Solana, XRP, Dutch, Magic, CLV, ID, and a whole lot more. All these coins have potentials of doing 1000x, 100x, 10x, and the rest. Utilize this information. Like I used to say, crypto will make you wealthy and crypto will also break you. If you don't acquire the proper knowledge before investing in crypto, you'll be doing the wrong thing. Guys, I'll see you in my next video. What are you waiting for? Let's milk it.
ProbabaFx shop for you.